okay, when they brought out the new season, I was pumped. I don't know if I've already talked about this. I really don't care. But what I'm not okay with at all is how Epic just vaults the pump. Oh, I'm sorry. Were you enjoying season 2 with the pumps? Bam! You get to charge shotgun. It's even worse. I don't want to charge up a shotgun to kill somebody. I want to kill somebody with one shot. This game is like, I swear, I'm like not even having fun. Like I don't want to play this game. Like they ruined it. Epic, I was having so much fun in season 2. I was enjoying it, but then you come out with a flooded map. You bring out a cat, another Jonesy, another knight that looks terrible, a space girl, Aquaman, and then there's the engineer who doesn't even look that cool. Like, I'm sorry, but I don't care if I'm being negative, but like, I'm not enjoying this. At all. So Epic, please bring back the pump, because I don't feel like grinding on a terrible shotgun. Like, why? You did this back in season 9, and then they sucked. Nobody was enjoying the game. We could have enjoyed the game if you would just get the pump and stop taking the pump out of the game and leave it in.